Hey besties! I am very, very excited. We are introducing another new brand to the channel. And I love this brand, so I was super excited when they sent these over for me to unbox with you guys. And I'm sure if you know where this is from. Especially now. Well, if you didn't read the title too, that is. But Nail Reserve sent over some absolutely beautiful polishes. And I do end up using 2 of them for my birthday nail design. My birthday was on February 11th. If you didn't know, now you know. Didn't really do much for my birthday. We ended up having car problems, but we are hopefully going to be going out here over the next week or so just to do a dinner, me and my husband. Look at these gels. Look at how pretty. I love their formula too. They smell really good. It has like that bubblegum smell to it. Love. Their formula is amazing. It's vegan, 9-free formula, and it is cruelty free. And this first color was marble pink. It is a super pretty, like pinkish nude color. I absolutely love their formula. I have like 3 or 4 different gels of theirs already, but they are 1 coat coverage. Very, very similar formula to Madame Glam's. And look at how pretty. Look how creamy. Look at the coverage. Perfect nude color. Then the next color is No Strings Attached, a very pretty light pink. Again with that formula, my goodness. I love a good creamy 1 coat coverage. There is nothing better. Look at how pretty that is. It's like the perfect light pink. I am obsessed with this next color. It is Tanning Session and it is the prettiest. Oh, by the way, if ever your caps are on, those finger thimbles from like the dollar store, the silicone ones, work really good for putting over the cap to get the lid off. Perfect little hack. But this is the prettiest fluorescent, like hot pink. Oh my goodness. As you could see, I was very excited. I love this color. I love good fluorescent colors, especially for summertime. Ooh! And if you start getting tan, this would look stunning on your skin. So pretty. This is 1 color I use in my birthday nail set. And this one as well. This one is Starlight. It is very pretty. It has those like iridescent, shifting little color sparkles in it. Or glitters, I should say. I will say though, it is a little on the gritty side. So I would recommend if you are using this and you don't want to feel that grit on your nail, to after you apply however many coats of this you want, to go in with a base coat on top of that and then top coat it. It will help fill in like in between all the glitter in it. So pretty. And there are the 4 colors. Aren't they pretty? Oh, so pretty. I really, really like that nude one. It's like the perfect nude for my skin. And then that light pink. Oh, beautiful. Honestly, any of these colors would look good on any skin tone. Love, 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 love. I will again leave all these listed down below for you guys. And that one Starlight, it could be used as a topper too. So pretty. But again, I will leave, I'm like squirrel brain today, you guys. I swear to God, I feel like I'm all over the place. But I will leave this stuff listed down below for you guys along with my discount code. So be sure to check that out to save a little money. And a huge thank you to Nail Reserve for sending these over. I absolutely love these colors and I am excited to test some more. So we got to get these nails off. As much as I don't want to take off this hand, because I love them. I think they're so pretty. I have to do my birthday nail set. So I am going to go in, prep my nail bed, just scrape up any of that dead tissue around my eponychium. You want to do this very gently. Do not scrape hard. Push back your cuticles. And then I do go in with nippers and just remove any of the dead tissue from my eponychium. And be very, very careful if you guys are doing this. You don't want it to hurt. You don't want to feel nothing. You only want to remove the dead tissue. And make sure you have sharp nippers. That is another great piece of information for that. Because if they are not sharp, they will damage your eponychium. Then I'm going to go in with my Model 1's dehydrator. You want to scrub that into your nail too. Don't just like lightly go over it. Scrub it onto your nail. You want to make sure you're getting in all those little gaps to remove any oil that may be on your nail bed still. Because I did buff my nail beds off camera. You want to remove any shine. And then I went in with Model 1's Builder in a Bottle. I love this color. It is 018. So it's from a previous PR haul. And I did apply primer before applying the Builder in a Bottle. And then I'm going to go in with the clear Bubblegum Gel and the XXL Dazzling Beige Coffin nail tips, both from ENAIL COUTURE. Got them in my scoops. If you haven't watched that video, I highly recommend it. I got so many goodies. I spent $65 and I totaled up everything. It was over $600 value. Crazy savings. So because Max's products are HEMA-free, hypoallergenic, all that good jazz, you can touch it without gloves and not have a reaction. If your skin is more sensitive though, I would recommend putting on gloves just to be safe. And then once you have it under the nail, you just apply it at a 45-degree angle, remove any that may have leaked out around the nail, and then give it a cure. And I do cure for a full 60 seconds. I just flash cure it with that light really quick and then stick it in my full size. So now that I have all my nail tips applied, I am going to seal in around my cuticle and again remove any of that gel that may have leaked out. And then I will cut, file, and buff all my nails. Once that is all done, I will go in with my Madam Glam base coat and apply a coat to all my nails, curing for 30 seconds when I'm done. And then I am going to go in with Starlight on my pointer finger and my ring finger. I do apply 2 coats of this, curing for 30 seconds in between. And then the tanning session. I love this color. So I applied 2 coats to my thumb, my middle finger, and my pinky finger. And I know I didn't catch a lot of this on camera. I did do these on my birthday and I was honestly just trying to get them done. And I would pause my camera and then forget to hit record again. But I did want to put out, the video of my birthday nails. And so, yeah. Sorry, guys. I just wanted to get them done, and we were planning on leaving that night. And again, we had some car issues, which ended up hindering us anyways. So really, I could have recorded the whole dang thing and not been in a hurry. It's okay though. I still enjoyed time with my family. So I am going to go in with the shiny semi-hard top coat from ENAIL Couture. I love this top coat. And I do want to say that if you have this and you are applying it and it looks a little like streaky when you are applying it, it may be because it is cold or because it is a semi-hard top coat. It is on the thicker side. So just make sure that you let your nails rest for like 10-15 seconds after you paint them and give it that time to self-level, and then pop it in the nail lamp for 60 seconds to cure. This is honestly such an amazing top coat. I highly recommend it. Honestly, one of my all-time favorites for sure. And then I am going to take my Model 1 rhinestone glue and apply really just a bunch to my ring finger because I'm going to bling out the entire ring nail. And I will let this part play out while I bling it out, and I will pop back in when I am done. So once I had the bling where I liked it, I did cure for a full 60 seconds, and then I went in with my little needle nose rhinestone glue and just put a bunch all around the rhinestones to really seal it in. And then I applied a bow off camera to my middle finger and some bling to my thumb. So pretty. Look at that bling. Woo! Absolutely beautiful. One thing I did notice that I thought was really weird is once I top coated that tanning session, it took away some of like the fluorescence to it. If you look at my left hand, it looks darker than my right hand, which I don't really understand. But yeah, I thought that was kind of weird. But I'm going to apply the shiny top coat to all of my fingers and then cure that for 60 seconds when I'm done. And I do just want to say thank you to every single one of you guys who wished me a happy birthday, shouted me out on your channels, on your community tabs. You guys are awesome. I love every single one of you and appreciate you guys all so much. You guys really made me feel special on my birthday. So again, a huge, 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 huge thank you to everyone. And yeah, I really felt the love. So I appreciate it, guys. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. I know, again, I was kind of like squirrel brain and, you know, like forgetting to record. I was all over the place, but I did, again, want to put out this birthday nail set and just take a moment to tell you all how thankful I am for all the birthday wishes. If you have enjoyed the video so far and you are not subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button. If you could also leave the video a like and a comment. The likes definitely help out. It helps let me know not only do you guys enjoy the video, but it helps tell the algorithm to push out my video to more people so more people can come join our nail bestie family. And then now that I am all done applying everything to my nails, I'm going to come in with my favorite cuticle oil from ENAIL COUTURE, the cotton candy one. It smells so good, and it absorbs beautifully. Gotta keep them cuticles nice and hydrated. Don't want no crusty dusties, especially with these beautiful nails. If you mess this up, you really let me die. You know that I'm afraid of tiny spaces. How could you leave me in too high? I can't tell the difference in their faces. Monsters come in different shapes and sizes. Look at how pretty they are. I love them. Again, I know I didn't record applying like the bows and stuff. The bows have the perfect glitter. It matched that Starlight glitter perfectly. See, you can see they have that like same color glitter in it. So pretty. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave everything from today's video listed down in the description for you guys. If you are not subscribed, please smash that button. Let me know in the comments what you thought of these nails. And that is it for this one. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!